What is up, guys? 1968 Pontiac GTO up for sale today. This is a one family owned GTO. Mom and dad bought it brand new. They gave it to their son. He just retired. Gave us a call. We went out, bought it. The car was housed at his sister's house in the garage. The family really didn't have much to do with the car. Beautiful color. It's not original paint as far as I can tell. Looks like it was painted once. I'm going to go over the good, the bad, and the ugly. We're going to do a full review on this GTO. But do me a favor, before you proceed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. We get new cars every day. We're posting to social, posting to YouTube every week, twice a week. We ship all over the US. We're going to go over the car so you know exactly what you're getting before you get here or before you have it shipped out. Start with this fender. Got a little scuff mark right here. A little one right here, which this will probably come right out with wax. A little cracking here. Store's in good shape. A little bit here. The paint, as you can see, my reflection is not super shiny. A good wet sand and a buff would bring this paint back to life. That's what I would recommend. It's got character. It does have some age. You can see here it's got a little bit of cracks in the paint. It's not terrible. A couple little scratches there. Like if you see this quarter here, it's got a little bit of scratches here. But it's a nice looker. I would definitely say it's driver quality because it hasn't been driven much. It's not a show car by any means. Got some paint chip in there. Another scuff on the door. Now this hood, again, the gap here is a little high. Probably adjust the hood. When I open it up, you'll see the hinges on it are wore out. And the front nose, we got paint peel in here. Tires are in great shape. They were just put on for the sale. It had old tires on it. Seat here is cut. Besides that, a little bit up here. The interior is in good shape. It seems to be all original. This isn't originally AC car. The AC is not hooked up. We have that in the trunk. Tilt wheel. AM, FM. It's cool to see the AC. His and hers. It's got 75,868 miles. Fuel gauge is not working. The oil gauge appears to be working. RPMs is working. Engine sounds strong. As far as the drivetrain, I cannot tell if it's original. I don't have a lot of information on it. Like I said, the son and the daughter, the son inherited from mom and dad, and it stood in the daughter's garage, and undercarriage is extremely clean. It's the way you like to see it. Oh. No rot. Let's grab the keys, take it in the trunk. This is a true garage find. It's the AC components. Quarters are all in good shape. Trunk's in good shape. It's a solid car. Perfect for somebody that wants to keep it as like a semi-survivor or restore it. Up for sale now, guys. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. Appreciate you checking us out. Talk to you later.